Monthly Param Nivedan for 2021 September to be successful with the power and grace of Paramji alias His Holiness. Paprava 1 to 8. Parmam Sharanam Gacchami, Hansam Sharanam Gacchami, Advaitam Sharanam Gacchami, आनंदम शरणम गच्छामि चरणम शरणम गच्छामि। हे परम जी, मुझ पर कृपा करो, सिर झुकाकर परम जी को नमस्कार करता हूँ। पप्रवा 9। परम जी, empower this मासिक परम निवेदन so that September month becomes beneficial for me and P3Y. Bestow me more success in my business, profession, agriculture, animal husbandry, and work. I wish to become more wealthy and make other people wealthier. I will register the details of my profession or business in the P3Y Karta profession portal under p3ythf.com website. I wish to make my country prosperous. Bless me so that my income increases and expenses decreases. I will use the money to spread P3Y. Make me free of all my debts. Even when I become more wealthy, I will be and remain humble before Paramji and other P3Y Kartas. May chartered accountants, etc. remain in my favor. Income enhancement online P3Y class Surat every Thursday at 7 a.m. Bharat time, streamed live on YouTube and Facebook P3Y THF. May my development in the material aspects of life becomes more fast. May I achieve all my goals and my struck work gets through quickly. May all the wishes I ask in Papr and the Papr I make others to do during this month gets fulfilled. Bestow me with fame and recognition. I wish to become an excellent P3Y Pracharak. I wish that the information about Good Luck Papr Card GLPC reaches every household community in my district under the mission Good Luck Papr Card GLPC for all. I will go door to door to give good luck Papr cards and will do the same after reading the GLPC page. I am an honest, obedient, and brave P3Y Karta and will strive to make others as well. The rains in this season be 100% and there be no floods. I will tell farmers that with the help of P3Y Shakti, there will be good harvest. Quality and production of milk in the cattle would increase. May my body and mind remain healthy in this rainy season. May I do not get infected by coronavirus. May my country be corona free. There should be no third wave of corona in the country. If I become sick, may I be cured with proper water. Disease Prevention P3Y online class is streamed live on the last Sunday of the month, that is September 26th, 7 p.m. Make my mind and intellect pleasant for me and P3Y. I will do Param Yog daily. Give me mental peace and good intellectual capacity. May I make quick and correct decisions and get more success. Give me strength and valor so that I can protect P3Y and keep the thieves and scoundrels away from P3Y class. May I get divine experiences in Param Dhyan, the divine meditation. Param Dhyan class, Friday 7 p.m. May I accomplish more efficiency in all the work I do. I will inform people to attend 7 a.m. 7 p.m. daily online P3Y class. I will give good luck Papr cards and teach Papr Param Yog to people in distress in my country as well as in abroad. I will keep telling the three Mahasutras, the great slogans of P3Y. First, P3Y accomplishes work. Second, eligible persons should be honest, obedient, and brave. थर्ड, जय घोष, बिना प्रचार नहीं उद्धार. May my family members be more blissful, peaceful, and caring towards each other. May I not get angry unnecessarily. May my children flourish and progress. May they get good guidance and good company. Increase their memory for studies. May they get good marks in exams. Give me good intellect so that I impart good values and teach the truth to my children. I will make them recite clever student Param Nivedan and will encourage them to take Param Vidya Mantra on September 5, 9 a.m. I will distribute students P3Y notebooks. Bring peace upon my ancestors. Remove all Pitra Dosh, Vastu Dosh, and other related problems. Protect me and my family from obstructions like all kind of negative energies, adverse planetary effects, accidents, fire, earthquake, heavy rain and other natural calamities, negative thoughts, etc. May I not face adversities, and in case I face any, I may be able to overcome with P3Y power or P3Y Shakti. I will inform on mobile number +91 8141763796 +91 8160711859 before coming to Umargam P3Y Dhyan Center so that good arrangements be made. Umargam PDME Yatra P3Y online Yajna class September 12 10 am. I will lovingly celebrate all festival classes mentioned in the P3Y calendar and will attend the Masik Shivratri Amas, Ganesh Chaturthi, Dr. Ajit's P3Y Prapti Din, Poonam, Shraddh, Paksh, Pitru Shanti class, etc. P3Y classes. I offer my destiny of September to the holy feet of Paramji, alias His Holiness. Paramji, please make my destiny better. I will propagate this monthly Param Nivedan amongst maximum people and will invite people to attend Google Meet P3Y class of Tuesday 9 pm taken by Dr. Ajit. I will invite Dr. Ajit to my Google Meet class for my success and will translate the class in my local language. Make me more happy, prosperous, peaceful, healthy, disease free, blissful, powerful, and humble than I am at present. Protect me from all troubles and diseases. I will contact Dr. Ajit on mobile number +91 816071 11859 or other P3Y Pracharak. Paprava 10. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakad, I will give money in whichever currency you earn, decide the amount on your own to Paramji, or will offer 1 liter water or 1 flower to Paramji, alias His Holiness. Paprava 11. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakad, I will give good luck Papr cards, will distribute P3Y books to one or more as per a capacity to new persons. I will attend online P3Y class. I will arrange Google Meet online P3Y class. I will visit P3Y website p3ythf.com. I will upload 2-minute video or audio about my miraculous P3Y experience on the website or by text through WhatsApp. I offer this monthly Param Nivedan and its fruit to Paramji, alias His Holiness.